Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve this question. If a plus b plus c is equal to 13 and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 69, then we have to find the value of ab plus bc plus ca. So now let us start with this if, that is a plus b plus c is equal to 13, and this let us write here. So now we have the formula. If we take the square root of this one, a plus b plus c square, so that is, we'll write here square of this one plus this, that is a square plus b square plus c square. Then you will take 2ab plus 2bc and then 2ca. So 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So now let us take this all same. From here, what we can do, we can take 2 common. So what remains inside this bracket is ab plus bc plus ca. So we have now a plus b plus c is equal to 13. So what are we going to do here? A plus b plus c, we are going to write 13, and this is the square of it. And again, then what do we have? A square plus b square plus c square is 69. So in place of this, we are going to write 69. This 2 is going to be the same, and this as it is again. So here this is going to be 13 square is going to be 169 as it is. So here now 69, let us take on the other side, that is going to be minus here, this as it is. So this will be 100, this as it is. So this is actually multiplication. So 2, when it goes here, it is going to get divided. So 100 divided by 2, this is same over here. So this will be AB plus BC plus CA, that is 50. So with this we have completed this question over here. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts.
Make
Thank
sure
you.
like and subscribe.